Mio that Anya in here to talk me go this Friday night. When I welcome back child Jesus. Me and Pastor, you don't just go for IzyBeatz play music till Izzy play finish. We don't even know. Welcome back on Top Night Show. We there here, Pastor, here on Top Relationship Friday. Suspicion in relationship. Define your own type of suspicion. Are you the kind of person when they program your own suspicion, then come fall inside the program of the suspicion?
They begin to disturb someone else.
I don't know. You know, you can't decide say you think say they program another person. Meanwhile, you program yourself inside your relationship. When I marry, inside boyfriend, girlfriend, inside fiance and fiancé, I feel it all and all. Send us a message on Top W Night Show on top Twitter. If you want tweet to Pastor Iheanyi at Iheanyi1 on top Twitter, send an email if you get those kind pressing suspicion, you know, define your shade of suspicion in your relationship. You can define it via email. Send Pastor Iheanyi email at ejioguiheanyi@yahoo.com. Nobody can know now between you, Pastor Iheanyi, and you are God.
Yes, sir.
Yes, me and IzyBeatz and Nedu, you know, you are any business with that kind of something. So, Pastor Iheanyi, Jesus. So now man, so not be saying only man.
So don't be only man.
It happen with woman.
Women own. They more. You know women, eh? Women they very my phone call. Women they very territorial. Right?
Yeah.
We not say me when I begin call Pastor Iheanyi now or send a message down now. You're small. Who are those? Who are those people? IzyBeatz now your telephone or na Pastor Iheanyi telephone?
Nah, Pastor Iheanyi they call.
Chai.
We never begin to call now. May they wait.
Me una leave Pastor. No call now. No call now. Make we talk this matter finish first. When we finish to talk this matter, anything fit happen from then.
Okay. So not the only man. They always, you know, they happen with men, but most times it even happen with women. Women too, they always struggle with, and women, because women they're very territorial. You know, you go when woman want make una know say man na him own. Whether you ask him or you not ask him, he go tell you. He go say the blue one, blue native, yellow, mohawk.
You just look and come on eye.
Say the blue hair, you know. So I came with him. If you not ask him, say today is a good evening, no. Honey is with me. He's coming. He's just parking the car downstairs. He just they give you. They want more. You know, ask him more. He just want make you know. Say no. Try yourself. So women can be very territorial, and when that one happen, when it enter obsession or suspicion, you know sometimes insecurity they very strong. So they feel say you know they good enough for the boy, and now going to make you one day fight for them, they embarrass yourself for public. Because for your mind,
by Jonah,
blessing. You don't know, you don't believe, say you.
Yes.
Now this kind boy, this kind bobo, go toast you. So when it happen like that, and then just come meet you, tell you, you know, you they fear, say, anybody when they greet, they laugh. Something fit happen. Because you don't even know, you don't even they sure of yourself. You never even get. Now, when we begin to deal with the solutions to insecurity, or we're going to talk about self-confidence, because that's a very big part. So when these ladies sometimes subconsciously enter this state where they feel say,
the man na my own.
na correct boy, na good boy, he dey cook,
he fine,
dey call, he gets
take
more
care
money,
of you,
he take
he
care
get
of you.
they do.
Yes, he's just a good boy. Anywhere in there, he go call you. He's saying just go business meeting now.
So
say,
I just make
say around 4, he go call
know.
you back. Around 4:30, he go call you. Say sorry. Say no call you at 4. Say at 4:30, they call you. Apologize. He go say sorry, you know. Saying they go sleep now. Say the phone go they parlor the child, making just the bedroom. You say just they happy. So when you can't see and they follow another person, they laugh. You can't they look. Say now this thing now this person wants.
So that's another type of suspicion.
Another insecurity. Now big deal. Then you can't begin to.
And for both man and woman. Oh?
Yes. Now in this case, this second part, they happen more with women. Because women, they're very territorial. Yes. So when they can't notice, say what they get, na good thing.
So if woman they tell you, say, no, don't worry, I'm not jealous. Na lie.
No, if it be, no, some women, they're confident in themselves. Some, no, they tell you, then go show you. Don't be anything now. When you finish, when they sing and they talk, they could just come there. It's not making say hello to everybody. They could just come, enter the circle, hug them, kiss them, rub their hands, say, I'll talk to you later, my love. Then come out. You know, she don't talk anything, but she don't talk everything. You know, she don't tell everybody where they're there.
Yes,
say, now me, they run. Do you see this program? Now me, they run this one. And as they go, so he go squeeze your hand. Say him. They greet Abby. You just come out, they go. As they come out, like they look out, then they look out. They look you for this. They look you for this country.
Men know they fear those kind. Some men, maybe some men they like them because maybe they make them feel special. I don't know.
Well,
I know. So this kind of IzyBeatz no go like that kind one.
No man really like replica of their mother.
Oh.
You know, if it.
So you know they come do over me like.
Sometimes some people say, "Nah, love," but you see, before 12 and love on ourselves, now be individuals. And when we go begin talk solutions, once you find yourself as an individual, it go hard for you to trust another individual. If you never appreciate yourself,
as a person.
Yes, if you never love yourself, it go hard for somebody else to love you and then still be friends with other people, and you go agree, say it possible. Because you never love yourself, one of the easiest ways to deal with trust issues is to love yourself first before you even bring another person into the picture. So most girls, don't they tell themselves, say, they're not sure they go get good man, they're not sure they go. Then suddenly, they just meet one bubble where whole, where fine small, and then come down. They won't mark and die. They go come inside, drop one shoe, come out. Following day, drop one bra, come out. Third day, drop one shimmy, come out. Just they leave things for area, put their picture on top fridge, on top of fridge. Just they leave.
So as man, no, really, but as man, most
times, what's they happen? We say,
how man go call and say, come. I know say somebody like Nedu fit call and say, come pound your
come they go.
But I don't know.
But you see, most men go just being avoidant. And that not be the solution. No. Sometimes boys they enter trouble with girl where they don't like. They try to explain to girl where they don't like to the girl where they like now. Say nothing. They say a lie. She still come here. I was like, say, look, this girl they mad. I don't know.
He said, why you not treating madness?
Yes, why you not treat the madness? He said, don't be like that. Don't be like how. See, if you not go fight for us, nobody go fight for us. So when you sort out your rubbish, call me. See, honey, it's not like, who's honey? Then they come here and say, they come to my house. He said, I said, she can't carry, maybe she can't carry, so her things they inside your house. Say, don't be like that. Don't say these things that happen. And the man will come there explain. And then the girl where he won't focus on. Because this one don't enter obsession. You're going to make trouble. Where they hang out, you could just come. Just die around with her girlfriend. Say, we could just go drink for you. Meanwhile, na plan. She know say that boy go there that day. So when they come, just sit down. Say, see, and then a bastard. Animal.
Then his friends go join mouth.
Yes, that's it. There. You know.
He said, "9 minutes. He not remain for house."
Yeah,
say
9
him.
minutes. So nothing remain. We don't finish. As he sound like this, he don't finish.
Then you go say, "I don't blame him." Now because say you like him, that is why.
Now why? Now rubbish. So if we don't deal with these things, so obsession. Even for the female, now also another form of suspicion. Because once you know trust and you want travel, you go say, give me your phone, make I hold. Give me your SIM card. Those are all little tail signs of you are struggling with trust issues.
If you don't get trust in yourself, that be say number one. If you don't get trust in yourself, there's no need to say you go find relationship.
You know, as we talk this thing now, the truth is, the only person you can vouch for is yourself.
Yeah, but if you don't trust yourself, how you go vouch for yourself?
That be the issue. If you don't vouch for yourself, you know if you vouch for another person.
Okay. Make we cool down small. Make we play you one music video. When we come back, Pastor go begin tell us what can be the solution to all these problems then? Because all of now when they hear, I just want to say yes, it's a problem. But make we go break. By the time we come back, we go now try to establish and determine say what can be the solution to this problem. Will they come back yes now?
Begin to do very stupid things that you'll be ashamed of in the future.
Even jealousy doesn't even add up an advantage.
Jealousy. I heard people say that you must be jealous. Someone told me, the person I was dating before said, you were too content in yourself. You were very content.
Say you must be jealous.
So she was in Abuja, I was in Lagos. She said, someone senator was still there. I said, oh, okay. I know, I trust you. So go for the drink. Nothing said, nothing implied. Go for the drink. Tell him you want to go. Let him drop it. Call me. Let's just and laugh about the date. She said, She said, here? I should go for the. I said, what do you want me to do? If I lie down here, if you go for the date and you don't tell me, I will still not know. So let's not create an issue to begin to doubt each other.
Okay.
Just do you.
And
but
that's it.
Yeah, I trust you. Okay.
So trust is important.
Yes, I trust
Bottom
you.
line,
I'm not making
trust
jokes.
Even little jealous doesn't.
See, jealousy as a concept is not a healthy word.
Hey! Una welcome to night show. I don't hear another one today. Say, as we come back, we just they talk because that argument with they talk, they brainstorm, yours they define things. DJ IzyBeatz come there and say, okay, so how about jealousy inside relationship? Now, good thing or a bad thing? I pastor say as a concept, jealousy as a word. Jealousy, Jealousy. Say, they very healthy.
The one sets me up.
No!
But back I explain now. Back I explain. So all the academicians now, when they don't hear this one, they won't bring out their guns and their... The truth be said, if trust there's no need for jealousy.
But jealousy, if it positive.
See, okay, I don't hear say, with the talk Christians, don't say, God is a jealous God. Now, what it mean really? It just means that God won't make we just day on the agreement where we get. No do another thing. It don't mean say we know they do another thing.
Yes.
I don't know if you understand when I talk. It don't mean say we know still do another thing. But now the way he won't make the attention there on us. So if they give us the benefit of doubt, say make we choose the right thing, he no go come force us. Say make we come stay with her.
Yes.
So in that context, not be the active dimension of the word jealousy. Because some of us, when we call them jealousy now, we go talk say, I won't make you vex. Say I never call you. I'll make you now vex, those things, yes. All those things no really be jealousy. Now, concern, I care for you. You never call me in 3 days. I reach, make I know happy, say you no call me. But me say I dey jealous. Say you call your mama or you call her. I don't know who you call, I don't know who you no call. So when we talk jealousy, we know they make with the very careful to use, like envy. Most times, what they do, now envy, and we don't even know. Most times, what people they even do pass, where would they use? Because we think say envy is a bad word, and jealousy no be too bad word. Envy now when you want what another person gets. No be when you want, maybe I get Range Rover.
So jealousy
and you want another Range Rover. Envy now when you want my Range Rover. No be say when you want another Range Rover.
So it's strong past jealousy.
Now they even do most. Where your friend comes say, Davis I don't click and they travel next month. Say they don't give and leave for office. You happy? But somewhere in your heart, you're not happy. You come they think, say, the second time this guy don't travel this year. And I mean the confess tell. I don't know whether everything you get for mine, whether you want put on for my. Do you understand? And
no, we say you're not happy for the person.
No, we say you're not happy, but that thing don't they now that thing you don't hide them. He did there. It be like cancer. He did there. Okay, the guy comes, this guy don't buy car. He said, which kind of thing be this? This guy is not going to leave me. Why did they tell me say don't buy car? You see what can I do with it? As they talk like that, now your heart no fit, your heart no feel lie. So when I talk like that, I said, look, we all know, not be the same work all of us they do. Where person they buy range. Look, my brother, before you begin celebrate, we're gonna be careful. Just leave that in. We don't know who be who. We could just greet everybody for official. Now God knows those who be you.
When you go sit down for corner by yourself,
you're gonna think I'm range. Hey, range.
Wow. You clap your hand.
Not to this work all of us did. There is God though. So the real one where they do, we know they notice.
So for relationship, which one come there?
You see, this matter not be told they discuss today.
Say they cause argument. So you're not even jealous. Even
people they talk up now. So see, the root of insecurity is lack of personal trust. Once you love yourself, you're not gonna know how to give love. So the only way you know how to give love to yourself, now you're gonna give the person. Like I explain again.
Wow.
Now
wow. Today.
If you don't like yourself, there get some things where you know go do for yourself. And when you can't claim say you love person, those same things where you know you do for yourself, you go say you know good, that person no good do them without you. And then you can't become possessed. You know go know. Say until where you don't they do now. You say you won't go watch him. As how now? I'm getting off work at 6. Watch the 8 o'clock call. Come and pick me and let's go and watch the film. Suddenly, you know if you watch film again because of you.
We just watch them for house now. Right?
Why you don't put yourself? Look,
out to the stress.
There's nothing, and there's go slow. Just be coming. Come, I'll wait for you outside my office. And the guy said, but I'm free. No, just come and pick me. Come and pick. If you really love me, you know, we should be doing things together.
That was the investment.
If you really love me.
That one go just weak you.
But I can then come now. But you what? If you love me, put your money where your mouth is. Come.
Come. You say come,
Come,
Jerry.
my bed. Come.
Come.
Go just cut the phone. Come put down for silent. So you go call and tweet, I know here. So if you don't come now, they say na iniquity. You know. You forget, say before una meet, you were once individuals. And one of these days we go talk about singlehood in relationships, because most people, they lose themselves. When somebody else makes you lose everything you are because of them, there was something wrong with you from the beginning. You didn't even know who you were. Now, I'm talking about bad habits. Bad habits can be removed. If I come and I see you have very crazy boys around you, it's not a problem when she says, these boys, they're very wild. Why are you there? If we go settle down and like this, our children go there, you know. There's nothing wrong with that. It's sincere concern. There's nothing. It's not being a witch or being. You are just careful that the associations will influence your relationship. There's nothing wrong with it. But if you don't even understand what it be, even if the girl not saint, you go find trouble, and you not go know. You know what's up? I can hear horn.
Hi.
You say I'm in go slow. This is to 9, no, Kate. This is to 9. I said, I'm in go slow. I was caught up with my... This is
go
to
slow,
9.
not supposed to.
This is to 9. There's no go slow on that road. Look, if you can't tell me the truth... You know,
just don't bother.
Yes, don't bother.
Talk to me.
Let's talk to me when you get home, wherever you are. You know, and
then if you come house now, plus the stress of the day...
And then there was nothing. There was truly go slow. And if you've not learned to give yourself the benefit of that solution, maybe we'll go to solution next week. If you've not learned to give yourself the benefits of doubt, everything will become an issue.
Hey, Pastor, yeah, you know, say this thing. I don't know now. When we come back from this break, you will not hear me say, we want to talk solution about, no, we don't enter another thing. I don't even know, say jealousy, you know, and envy, and relationship. And you know how the thing is say, but it's not... Say trust, they stronger. You better make trust, they stronger than all these jealousy and
use the word. Use I trust you rather than you should be jealous for me.
Hi.
You know, use I trust you. It's even a better word on your mind.
Okay.
Jealousy comes off. You know the mind is a very powerful thing.
Yeah, very powerful.
Now, until now, nobody talk envy, because we say envy now be the bad thing. But most people actually envy more than they are jealous.
Pastor, you know, say we get to continue this thing. You know, say we never talk solution.
No, this jealousy and envy. That topic on the own.
Okay. So we can see next Friday when I know if it ever miss. Pastor, I don't care where you go there. Next Friday you must be here because una sorry. Easy me and IzyBeatz, we don't carry Pastor. You know, say anytime Pastor enter this studio, all of us just want ask the kind question where we know say you go on ask. So forgive us say we no read una tweet, we no do anything, we no take phone call. Next Friday we go open phone line. Say okay, make we hear from una because. Time don't carry us go. We don't forget things as we don't learn new things. We don't know, say, jealousy, envy, relationship, say, trust. Now is strong past all of those things. Me and IzyBeatz now, we don't carry pen and paper. We don't write these things. So maybe we come up for studio now. Time don't run, come up for our hand. But follow Pastor Iheanyi on top Twitter at Iheanyi1 on top Twitter. If you get any personal message or problem where you want to discuss Pastor Iheanyi, go send an email. Ejiogu Iheanyi at yahoo.com. Inko answer you na fit take them from there because this topic na lifetime something. You know they just finished today. Na lifetime something. And then later on we could see how one upload everything on top YouTube. Na fit go there, go watch them from time and time again. Me and IzyBeatz, may we continue. You know, one day go house, but you know we get some personal things to continue with Pastor Iheanyi until Monday. When we could see another new week. Una bye bye. Enjoy your weekend.
If you don't know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.